In this podcast for Peachtree Chapter 2, we're going to look at printing a check. So we're going to start off by finding someone to pay. So we're going to take the vendors and purchasers. We're going to look at paying the bills, and we're going to find paying the bills here. We'll just expand this so we've got a clearer view. We will look for a vendor to whom we owe money. I know we owe money to Ellison Products. And you can see here that we owe, in fact, $957 less a discount of $9.57. So what we will do is select first of all the date. We will say it is January the 15th, 2009, so we're still entitled to the discount here. And I just want to check if I could pause that. We click on the little box at the end to say we're going to pay this. This fills in our check. So this now needs a memo. Invoice 900 to Ellison Products, so I know which one it is. We're going to leave the check number for the moment. So let's see what happens now. We save it. That's fine. And we are now going to close that. Now we have two checks, I believe, waiting to be printed. So what we're going to go up to is reports and forms. We're going to look for the forms for checks. We're going to select, here we are, checks, and a laser pre-printed one. Right, we will double click on that one. This opens it up. It tells us that we are going to look for all the checks up to January the 15th. Actually, I don't want 2010, I want 2009. Get it in a minute. It's January the 15th, 2009. Here we will be in a minute. Got it. Cash account 10,200, which is the Delta Bank, and we will label the first check 1,200, which I think is all right. We're going to find Ellison Products because we know we owe them money. And what I've done is selected the vendor from Ellison Products to Ellison Products, so it should only pull up anything that we owe to them, any checks that need printing. Now I need to refresh the list, and that will bring up the list of checks that we need. I'm just going to print the one check, which is the check to Ellison Products for $947. I'm going to look at print email. Well, we'll look at print preview first of all. Here we are, and this gives us our details of our check. Remember, this would be a pre-printed check normally, so we wouldn't see it on a piece of blank paper. And I now click on print, and this brings it up to print, in fact, to either the PDF writer or to a printer or to a document writer. I'm going to do it to the document writer because I haven't got a printer attached. So we click on OK, and this means I can save the document as the check to EP. We are. So I will save that. It's now printing it, and it asks whether it printed properly. Obviously we'd be able to look at it if we got a printer. We will say OK, yes. Now we can close that. We can view and edit the checks here. Which we won't do for the moment. That's going too far ahead. Okay, we'll leave it at that. So we printed off our check, and I'm going to